Hey guys, BrickBomb0 finally back, and for today I have a very important announcement to do, and I will be saying 4 announcements. So yeah, let's get on with it. First announcement is that I have a new channel, and it's called Super Blaze Bros. It's my gaming channel. It's I think it's for only Minecraft, and maybe there'll be more, but for now it's like only Minecraft, so please subscribe it somewhere in the middle here. Yeah, that's the link to my channel. And yeah, so please subscribe if you want to get our want to watch our gaming videos. That would be cool. And yeah, I'll be appreciated as well. So secondly, I'm gonna say a big thank you for almost 100 subs. Now that's really what I wanted, like my goal is. So I really wanted like 100 subscribers, and now I have like 92. So that's almost 100 subscribers already. So a big thank you for all of you who watch my reviews or my giveaways, or yeah, just really thank you. Maybe I think there will be another giveaway when I have 100 subscribers. So yeah. Okay, the third thing is that I apologize to the username MiniV and numbers. It's I didn't get a chance to give the Lego box that you won in one of my giveaways, but I'll probably send them to you as soon as possible. Just I think it's like not really gonna be more than 1 year. It's gonna be, I'm gonna send you sometime in this year. Yeah. Just really sorry because I was like changing, I was going to another country and everything was busy, and yeah. So the fourth thing and last thing is that I'll be continuing posting more videos, Lego videos for you guys. Keep posting it on this video. So this will be my Lego channel, and the other channel will be my gaming channel. So thanks for watching, guys. This is BrickBomb0's important announcement right now. I didn't make videos for like like 6 months, something like that. Yeah. So again, thank you all. Almost 100 subs. That is just crazy. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.